Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you a new product from Chanel, and it is the new highlighter in Pearly Glow from the BEIGES collection. Maybe you already know there are two highlighters in this summer collection, and one is Sun-Kissed and the other one is Pearly Glow, so this is the most light. They also sent me a sample of Sun-Kissed, because if you can use this one as a highlighter, Sun-Kissed is supposed to give you a more tan look. So when I saw Pearly Glow, you see, I saw a very beautiful light ivory shade, and in my opinion, for pale skin, even if you are tan, this shade is supposed to be amazing. So this is the color, and this is the effect. So you can really use it if you have a tan and you like some highlighting points, but also if you're pale, luminous and natural shade. So it really enhances your skin tone also. I think you can use it also before foundation and then mix foundation in a second time. It really has a scent. I don't tolerate so much perfume and fragrances in face products, so let's see. I already done my base with my foundation. I put a little bit of powder in the center. I got my eyes done, and so I wanna try on my skin how it looks. So the effect had a little bit more to let you see. I apply with my finger. So I think the effect is very natural for pale skin. If you're looking for a liquid highlighter, I suggest you to try this one, because it's very light, so you can really blend it into your skin. If you get a tan, you can really emphasize the highlighting effect. I take my new Dior bronzer. This is Light Flame, and it is the lightest one. I wanna go a little bit darker, just to let you see. I have also Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Pearl, and it is a very different shade, but the effect onto your skin is quite similar. I mean, Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector stays a little bit more luminous, so it's a tiny bit. Instead, you have to build a little bit this highlighter, in my opinion. Now I am a little bit darker, just a tiny bit. I take again this highlighter, and I take my foundation brush, and let's go on the upper cheek. It's all about giving you a very natural reflection. And I know that if you are looking for Chanel products, maybe it's the effect you are expecting to have, a very subtle and natural look. So it's nothing about an harsh highlighter effect. You see the reflection is quite the same I think it's supposed to be to give you a more flattering and uniform light. So this is Shimmery Skin Perfector from BEIGES in Pearl. I got also Opal, but Opal is a little bit tinted, so I use it when I have a more warm look. I think at the moment the comparison is more about Pearl and Pearly Glow. So not for the name, but because they are very light. So you see, BEIGES is white and more dense. If I put it here, you can see how it really reflects the light. Instead, this one really blends in the skin, and you see, got also another texture, because even if BEIGES is very fluid, it's more creamy than the beige. There is a slight difference, but there is. I finished my look using Quintessence blush. It's a very beautiful color. This color is something amazing. I put this blush over Pearly Glow. I don't notice any spot with the application of this powdery blush. Instead, where I put BEIGES, I see that I have to be careful because it can create a spot, and this is natural, because if you put a powder blush over an highlighting cream, it's something that happens. But what I mean is that Pearly Glow is so light that it really melts with your skin. If you're interested in ingredients, this is the list. So on my lips, I already put Velvet Decade from Lisa Eldridge collection. I love it to use it as a stain. It really gives you that beautiful color, movie, natural onto your lips. Just a little bit of sun-kissed. I wanna use it as a final touch, checking the back. I love to use this lipstick also as a blush because they are so pigmented. This is my finished look. I hope to tolerate this perfume of Pearly Glow and don't see any reaction, because I really love it. So I made this purchase asking on Instagram what people would like to see. I wanna show you Sun-Kissed, and I got also a new Cocoa Flesh shade from the newest collection of Chanel. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, you should follow me also on YouTube. Thank you, see you soon, bye!